Welcome back to our channel where we talk about everything related to programming and technology. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023. So, if you're planning to start your programming journey, or want to switch to a new language, this video is for you. Let's start with the first language on our list, Python. Python has been one of the most popular languages for the past few years, and it's not slowing down. Python is easy to learn, has a vast community, and is used in a variety of fields such as data science, machine learning, and web development. Next on the list is C#, a modern, object-oriented language developed by Microsoft. C# is widely used for developing Windows applications, game development, and mobile apps. If you're interested in developing for the Microsoft ecosystem, C# is a great choice. Third on our list is Rust, a relatively new systems programming language that has been gaining popularity. Rust is known for its speed, safety, and memory management. It's used in projects such as Firefox and Dropbox. Twitter is also starting to add some. Fourth on our list is HTML. Yes, HTML is not a programming language, but it's the backbone of the web. HTML is essential for anyone who wants to get into web development. Knowing HTML is the first step towards creating web pages and web applications. Finally, we have TypeScript, a typed superset of JavaScript. TypeScript is becoming more and more popular, especially in the world of front-end development. It's used in frameworks such as Angular, Vue, JS, and React. So, there you have it, the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023. Of course, there are many other great languages out there, but these 5 should give you a solid foundation to build upon. That's all for this video. I hope you found it informative. Let us know in the comments which language you're planning to learn in 2023. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.